So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. Wow, very cool mohawk style. I like the pop of blonde mixed in there with the cut, and it does have some design going there in the back as well. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. Loving this curly copper shaggy cut. This is absolutely gorgeous. She has such a pretty texture, very nicely done. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have once again someone with long waist length hair. Looks like she wants to get a bob. Hair is placed in two ponytails and she begins to cut. And then the stylist goes in and cleans up the lines, turning the hair into a bob. Wow, absolutely stunning. Loving this angled bob style. Very nice. And then next up, it looks like we're going to get another bob, maybe a pixie bob with this one. Oh, he's definitely going much shorter, turning it into a pixie. Wow. I love the color on this with the blonde going in the bangs. Such a cute shape for the pixie style. Very nicely done. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. So her hair is kind of thin towards the ends and she's looking to add some volume. Bam! Beautiful shoulder length bob. Love the ombre color. Very nicely done. And her hair looks so much more volumized. So next up we have another client of his with mid-length hair. Beautiful mid-length cut. Just past her shoulders with this one. Very nice. So here we have someone with some gorgeous curly hair. Looks like she wants to get a pixie. Very nice curly pixie style. And this is a very hot hair trend that we're seeing this summer season. Very nicely done. So it looks like we have someone in for a cut refresh. Slight trimming of their bob hairstyle. Oh, looks like she got more of like a pixie bob. Very nice. Her hair looks so thick and full, volumized, beautifully done. Love the way he did the bangs too. This is just gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. We're going to leave things off with this last hair transformation. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.